Welcome to Continental. We're here at the Technology Center of Research and Development Tires, and I'd like to give you a short introduction to you on your working environment. Follow me. The starting point for every tire development is the collection of the customer requirements. These can be from different markets with different climate conditions and different applications for the tire, right up to the specific demands of the automotive manufacturers. From these, we create a technical requirement book with target characteristics to meet the different requests and develop a strategy regarding which tire technology in terms of contour, construction, compound and pattern can best achieve this. So, this way. Before we start developing and manufacturing a prototype tire, we first have to design and specify a curing mold. To do so, we develop a mold contour and an appropriate tread pattern, which are optimized in terms of required tire performances and based on computer simulations and virtual development processes. Once we have achieved the tire performances that correspond to the styling and technical requirement book, we initiate the order to manufacture the respective curing mold. In the next step, we look at filling our test mold. In particular, we develop suitable compounds for our prototypes. We begin our development here on a laboratory scale and must also ultimately be able to ensure the processability of the compounds in our plants worldwide. Come on, we've got lots more to see. After you. Now we define a tire construction for our prototypes. Among other things, we have to decide which construction we want to use to manufacture our prototypes according to our development strategy. At this point, we have defined all parameters of our prototypes and can now build the first test tires. In the next step, we check if our estimation of the performance is correct. We use different tests on the prototypes and check that our customers' requirements are fulfilled. For example, we evaluate rolling resistance performance on our internal test drums and wet braking performance on a vehicle at the Conti drum. If all results fulfill the requirements in our strategy, we can proceed with the last step, the industrialization of our prototype. Our global product industrialization team translates product innovation into manufacturing reality. We turn research and development specifications into a prototype tire for validation that meets the performance requirements. With our know-how of production processes, we optimize the specification to ensure the new product is ready for serial production. We take care that our products fulfill all internal and external requirements over their lifetime. Therefore, we monitor performance as well as customer and legal requirements. All right, that should be a good overview. For now, I wish you a great time in the team. It's fun working here. You'll see. Enjoy.
Since I started in Continental, it felt like a second home.
El trabajar en un equipo internacional es impresionante.
Stolz macht es einen dann, wenn man dann seinen eigenen Reifen dort sieht. Das ist toll.
क्योंकि बाहर से तो लगते हैं काले और गोले से, पर इतने सारे हिस्से मिलकर एक टायर बनते हैं कि कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है कि टायर विकसित करने का काम एक तरह का मायाजाल है.
You don't set out with a dream of tires, you have to discover them.